Student and Staff CRM. The system of managing student and staff details can be referred to as a CRM, or contact relationship management. It is sometimes referred to as an SIS, or student information system, but we prefer the broader term CRM, since you will also use it to store staff information. The CRM is used to store student and staff information, track interactions, and provide insight to help you manage your school, and speed up certain tasks. Student and staff custom fields are added in a similar way. There are over 15 types of custom fields that you can add. These custom fields can then be grouped into sections. These sections can then be organized into tabs, or menus, and you can create more of them, as needed. To add custom staff fields, select the main menu, Settings. Then select the Settings menu, Staff Fields. To add custom student fields, select the Settings menu, Student Fields. You will now see all of the student, or staff, custom CRM fields. The fields are shown according to the student tabs, or staff tabs. For example, here, the first student tab is the General tab, and is shown first. Then, within the General tab, you will see all of the sections, starting with the Student Details section, and then the Home Details section, and so on. After that, you will see the next tab, which is the Student Program tab, and including all of its sections. Some tabs have built-in fields, which cannot be moved or modified, and will not display in the Custom Fields page. For example here, the track, semesters, and dorm fields will not display in the list of custom fields. Next, is the Classes tab, where you can add custom fields below the built-in fields. And so on and so forth. You can rename the tabs by selecting the tab name, and then editing it. You can also reorder the tabs by selecting the up-down arrows corresponding to the tab name. We recommend that you save your changes often, and not to accumulate a lot of changes before saving. These changes will be reflected on the student, or staff menus, accordingly. To add a new tab, select Add New Tab. Enter the desired tab name and select Save. Next, select Add Section, and enter the desired section name. And select Save. You can then add the custom fields into the section. To add a new custom field, select Add Field. Then select the Field Type drop-down. There are over 15 types of custom fields. Select the desired field type, and enter the name for the field. The field name is what will appear next to the field. Give it a short but descriptive name. If this is a required field, toggle on Required. Please note that if a field is required, the user will not be able to save the page unless a value is entered for this field. If desired, enter the help text. The help text will show up as a question mark icon next to the field name, and when selecting this icon, will show the help text to the user. You can reorder fields by selecting the up-down arrows corresponding to the field. You can also move fields from one section to another by selecting the Move icon. Then select the desired destination section. You can delete a field by selecting its corresponding X icon. For more information on the various custom field types, see the appropriate help tutorial in the CRM and Custom Field section.